Today we are celebrating here a special day called Makar Sakrat. It means today is the day the sun crosses over from the Tropic of Capricorn to the Tropic of Cancer. It's a very big day for us because now during the summertime we have the harvest and we look forward to the rain and so many things that happen in every country. The sun falls at right angles in this country during the summer season. And so we welcome the sun. We eat something that you must have eaten already, what we call as til and jaggery. It is to prepare your body and your mind, to give it sufficient heat to receive the sun. Because if you are living in the cold season, then all your body, mind becomes lethargic and you become also sometimes very lazy about things, in the sense that the day is so small that you cannot achieve many results. So the body has become cold, as we call it. We take these things which give us heat, so body is prepared to receive the heat of the sun to welcome. To overcome the inertia set in by the cold weather and also to invigorate the body strength, Tropic of Cancer is the one which represents the motherhood of the earth. This Tropic of Cancer has passed through quite a big area of land, while the Tropic of Capricorn has not. And the area through which it has passed, it has created different beautiful manifestation of the motherhood qualities on this earth. We celebrate this change because the sun has now moved into the new dimension, so that all over the world there will be the warmth of the sun. Warmth of the sun represents the warmth of God's love. This is the reason why we celebrate this festival by giving you some sort of a sweet made out of sesame seeds. These special things are made out of the seed of sesame to represent the oncoming warmth and the warmth of the sun. Though in India the heat is too much, still people are waiting for this time to come in and they celebrate it with such a warm heart. At this time, it is said that we give you this sesame seed and the sugar to eat, but now you must speak in a sweet manner. God God bola means you must speak in a sweet manner. Speaking in the sweet manner is very important. So today is the last day, which we say that is the day which is the coldest day, according to uh, Indian understanding. After this, the heat will start growing, and we can do anything that is auspicious. Any auspicious things can be done after this puja is over during the summertime. Though it's very hot in summer, still people wants the sun to rule us and to give us warmth, because of him only all the fields and all the uh, vegetables, all the fruits, everything grows. And that's why when the 6 months the sun is not here, we call it a Sankrant, meaning a calamity in a way. That is when, of course, in the European countries, or say in England, other America, it is a calamity at that time when the sun is not there. But even here, it is regarded as a time. Today is the day that the end of the Sankrant, means the end of the calamity is over, and they give something sweet to eat, which is also mixed with sesame seeds, because sesame seed is heat giving. So today being the hottest day, coldest day, they want to give sesame seed. Also want you to retain the heat and to adjust yourself to the heat that's coming up. Also, it is said that the warmth of love should be expressed at this time for people, because it's the coldest day. So they say that we give you this special thing for you to say something sweet, that is god god bola, means you say something sweet to us.